The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Missile attacks launched at manpower and military equipment concentration areas of the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Kupiansk, Dvurechne and Kirillovka in Kharkov region at Kupiansk direction have resulted in the elimination of over 140 servicemen and 19 units of special military equipment. Over the past 72 hours, the enemy has lost more than 500 servicemen and about 60 units of military equipment at Kupiansk direction. Massive fire attack has been launched at the enemy reserve forces and units from the 66th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Slavyansk at Krasny Liman direction. The attack has resulted in the elimination of up to 100 servicemen, 6 units of armored equipment and 2 Grad MLRS combat vehicles. Over the past 72 hours, the units from the 66th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces have lost more than 900 servicemen at the above-mentioned direction. Missile attack launched at the manpower and military equipment concentration areas of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Kalinovka at Artomovsk direction has resulted in the elimination of over 260 militants and 14 units of military equipment. Allied forces have repelled enemy's attempts to launch an offensive near Pervomayskoye at Donetsk direction. The preventive operation has resulted in the elimination of over 100 Ukrainian servicemen from the 21st Battalion of the 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces. Russian troops continued repelling enemy's offensive at Nikolayev Kryvyi Rog direction. All the attacks of the Ukrainian Armed Forces at Nikolayev and Andreevka tactical directions have been successfully repelled. Attack launched by Russian aerospace forces at the units from the 24th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Davidov Brod in Kherson region has resulted in the elimination of up to 60 militants and 7 units of military equipment. Superior enemy tank units succeeded in wedging into the depths of our defense towards Zolotaya Balka and Alexandrovka. Russian forces took a previously prepared line of defense and continue launching massive fire attacks. Ukrainian militants have lost a total of over 130 personnel and 23 units of military equipment at the above-mentioned area. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 47 artillery units at their firing positions, as well as 146 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Kramatorsk, Artyomovsk, Opytnoye, Yampol in Donetsk People's Republic, and Dobryanka in Kherson region. Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 1 radar of Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile system near Nikiforovka in Donetsk People's Republic. 3 Ukrainian Grad MLRS batteries have been neutralized near Tsvetkovoye, Svyatopetrovka, and Yablokovo in Zaporozhye region. Air defense facilities have shut down 3 unmanned aerial vehicles near Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Kupiansk in Kharkov region, and Borozenskoye in Kherson region. Moreover, 15 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka, Vesoloye, and Novaya Zburyevka in Kherson region. In total, 310 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,137 unmanned aerial vehicles, 378 air defense missile systems, 5,292 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 860 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,444 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,189 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.